guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing something a little different. I don't know if these videos exist already, but basically today's video is just gonna be a what's on my face video. That sounds so weird, but honestly, sometimes you guys don't want a full-on tutorial, like you know how to do makeup already, most of you guys. Tutorials, I will still do tutorials from time to time, but for the most part, a lot of people, when I do my videos on Instagram and I post my pictures, a lot of people just want to know what products am I using. So I'm just gonna show you exactly what's on my face, all the products that I use to get this look. But how are you guys? How you doing? How you feeling? I really want to know. What's up, guys? I feel like I am finally coming back to the YouTube world. I missed it here. I really have. One thing that I love, and I do not do my makeup without anymore is this. And this is Tarte's Glotion. It's basically like a skin, like a primer, but like a glow primer. It's like a dewy skin perfector, like a dewy skin primer. I just put it on my hand and you can see the difference. Like, look at that glow. But it's so nice because it doesn't, there's no like sparkle. It's literally just like this beautiful dew, and I use it to put my makeup on. I have a ton of powder on because I actually did this makeup probably like 10-15 hours ago, and then I just put powder to, like, you know, freshen it up because I was a little oily, but you can still see like that glow coming through. And I have no highlighter on and you can still see in spots like a natural like dew. Also, as a skin perfector, I feel like that really helps my skin look really nice. Like I have a filter on in person because my skin, okay, my skin could use some help right now, but you can't tell because of that primer. That's the primer I use. That's the first thing I put on before I put on my makeup. Second thing is, this is Giorgio Armani's Luminous Silk Foundation. I love this foundation. This is the foundation that I put on when I need a pick-me-up, when my skin is not doing very well, but I need her to feel nice, you know? Like, this is like the little red dress for your face. It's very expensive, it's pretty pricey, so that's why I don't wear this every single day. It's a great every single day foundation, don't get me kidding, but like it's really expensive. So but today I have this on and I really wanted that like perfect skin complexion feel. But yeah, so that's the foundation I'm using, and then I took it way back to the drugstore. The concealer I'm using is actually an e.l.f. concealer. Now this is e.l.f.'s 16-hour cameo concealer in the matte finish, and I live by the concealer. First of all, this is the only concealer that makes sense. It's $6, but you get something crazy, like I think you get like almost like a half fluid ounce in here. Like you get a lot of concealer in here for only $6. This will last you so long. The coverage is amazing, like amazing coverage. And they have a bunch of shades to choose from. I love how this formula wears, the matte formula, because it literally wears all day. It doesn't break up. If you put it on your nose, like literally anywhere, it doesn't break up. You know how sometimes you can get oily and that oil can just eat up your makeup? Like this is like gonna stay on your face. And this is in the shade Deep Chestnut. And this is my like highlighting shade. I use this every single day. Like even if I'm not wearing makeup, I have like under eye bags, so I put a little under the eye, fluff it out like a little, literally like a dot, but it like just brightens up my under eyes and it looks so good and it wears so great throughout the day. So the next thing that I have on my face is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade, listen up close, this is in the shade 35 Deep. This is so important. You know why? Because for us black girls, for us brown skin girls, it's so important to have a powder that is brown, or that is your skin shade, or like a shade up depending on where you're gonna put it on your face. Do not let those girls tell you to get a translucent powder. Do not let those girls tell you to get a white powder. Don't get a banana powder. Sometimes the banana powders work. I have a banana powder, but for the most part, you need a little bit of pigment to your powder, or else you're going to get crazy flashback. It's gonna look crazy and it's really hard to work with. When you get a powder that's already your skin tone, or like, you know, your undertone at least, it really helps with making your makeup look flawless. So the formula of this powder like is ridiculous. Like, this smooths my face like a filter. Like, this is like an Instagram filter in a container. I cannot live without this powder. I will use this powder forever. And it's affordable. You can get it at the drugstore. So I definitely would recommend it. They have a bunch of different shades for whatever skin tone you are. They even have lighter ones for people that are more fair, but I just don't think anyone should use like white powder, just because trying to get it not to flash back in photographies, and now everyone's on their phone. You're doing TikToks, you're doing this, you're doing that. You need something that's not gonna flash. So like, throw those translucent powders out and get you a powder that is pigmented. Thank me later, sister. The next thing that's on my face is this Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer from Revolution. This is from Revolution Beauty, and you can find this at Ulta. You can now find it at Target. It's really affordable, and you get this. Look at this pan. OMG, like, look at this compared to my head. Like, this is a lot of bronzer. Okay, I love this bronzer. It's what I have right here. I really don't contour that much unless I'm like going out, but yeah, I just have like a little bronzer to like bronze up my face, you know what I mean? Like, add some color back after all of that powder that I used. And this is in the shade Dark. Now, they do have even deeper shades than this. For my dark skin girls, for my brown skin girls, for my women of color, I would definitely suggest this one because it's affordable. It's a good product. You get a lot for your money. Plus, they have shades for all of us. They have really deep shades. This mirror is huge, so I use this, like, this is what I take on the go to like touch up my makeup and like look in the mirror and stuff. Love it. Definitely pick this up. I think this is like $6, probably $8. Not sure, but it's a great product. Now, the next thing that I use on my face is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, but the powder. This formula is amazing. Okay, it smooths out your face, and basically what I do after I do my powder, my bronzer, my blush, my contour, everything, I take a big fluffy brush, swish it in there, and then go over my whole face. And that's what gives me kind of like a blended look even after I, you know, did my contour, my bronzer and stuff. Sometimes you can get real like patches and your makeup could look really patchy, especially when you're using a whole bunch of different products. Like, if you can see the demarcation from like where you put your bronzer and then where your highlighter starts, you should see like a nice gradient and like a smoothing effect. And I feel like this step is vital. It's crucial. Okay, it's crucial. And this is a product for it because, once again, it is affordable. It's drugstore. They have so many shades in this powder. They have a lot of shades in this powder, but they actually don't have enough. Not that I've seen. They'll probably have more on their website, but like when I go to Target or like drugstores, it's never like, this is the deepest shade. And I know it comes in deeper shades, but this is America. That's all I'm gonna say about that. The next step I do after I put all my powder on is setting spray. And this setting spray is a miracle. I love the setting spray. I found this, I actually got this from a BoxyCharm. This is called the Bloom Effects Tulip Dew Mist. And this is a fragrance-free hydrating mist. And you can use this as skincare. Like, you can use this when you're not wearing makeup, but it is perfect for makeup because look at this. Ooh. It's like a continuous spray. It is so light and fluffy. Like, I hate using setting sprays that's like, it has a nozzle that you have to keep pressing, and then sometimes you get like droplets on your face and it's just a whole hot mess. I love how this mist is so fine. But it also gives you the dew. It makes your skin dewy. It just makes your powders like just melt into your face and look like second skin. I really love this product. The next thing I have on is mascara, girl. Mascara. Okay, mascara. The only mascara that I love, okay, that belongs with me, that is with me in my heart forever and ever and ever, is L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This mascara, like, this looks toe up and beat up, and like it looks like it got in a street fight because I use this every single day. Like, this is my favorite mascara. If you are a girl who you struggle in the lash department and you need some lift, you want to feel like you're wearing falsies without actually wearing falsies, you know what I mean? Like, you need this mascara. And this has the same brush as like the Better Than Sex mascara, but this one is only like $9 at the drugstore. I love this mascara, will always repurchase this mascara. And I always put mascara on to lift my lashes before I put on actual lashes. We're gonna get to the lashes, girl. We're gonna get to the lashes. So for lashes, I'm actually wearing these Kiss Lash Couture Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Lash. The style for this lash is Cruise, and these lashes, I love these lashes. I've worn them probably like 10 times now, and they still look really good. These are $10 at the drugstore, I'm pretty sure, but they last really long. I'm used to getting like $5 lashes, but these are really good. The band isn't too thick, it's not too thin, but it's not too thick, so they last long, but they look seamless when you put them on and apply them properly. They have a lot of character, but they're not too much that they overtake your eyes. I'm definitely gonna repurchase them. They look amazing, and these are some of the best lashes at the drugstore. So for brows, I've repurchased this pencil probably like 1,000 times. Like really, honestly, truly. This is from Revolution Beauty. This is their brow duo in medium brown. I should have actually got deep brown. I meant to get deep brown. What was I thinking? But it'll do, you know, the brows are there, she's there. But anyway, this is like a tapered and, you know, the really thick brow pencil, because I have like literally no brows. My brows are so sparse. I need a thick brow pencil, and this is very pigmented, and your brows stay on all day. It's also only $6. It's very affordable. Let me tell you guys what's on my lips. So I have Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Malt. And this is what I use to line my lips. I use this as a lip liner, like only like a lip liner, because it's just the perfect brown. Like, look at my lips. Like, it's not too dark, it's not too orange, it's not too cool. Like, it's the perfect brown. So I use this as lip liner, and it lasts me forever. I was using lip liners, having to repurchase them like every few weeks, every other month, because I use lip liner every single day, and it made no sense when I could just buy this on sale and then use this literally forever. In the center of my lips, I have ColourPop's Blotted Lip in the shade Starling, and I love this. This is the perfect like nude shade for me, you know, like it's for me. Like, I feel like this was made for me. They thought about a black girl nude. It's so hard to find a black girl nude lipstick, especially like a liquid lipstick, and this is so amazing. I love this color. This is like my go-to color. This is the color that I do when I have nothing else to do. Like, when I have no idea what to do, I just throw this on and it's perfect. That is what's on my face. Let me know if you guys like this video or the idea of this video. When I do different like makeup looks and I change it up, I'll definitely come on here and let you guys know what's on my face. I feel like makeup tutorials are not that popular anymore because everyone learned how to do makeup on YouTube. Comment below and tell me what's your favorite makeup product right now. I really want to know. I'm really looking for like more newer products. I use the same stuff all the time. But yeah, definitely follow me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up and like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. and I'll see you guys in the next one.